The first thing you will want to do is straighten out your paper. I really like to go in the opposite direction of the curves using the edge of a desk. Before gluing everything on, you're going to want to just lay all of your pieces out and kind of reflect them how you would want them to make sure that the black paper, once everything is reflected, is balanced in the space on your paper. Some of my items I chose to not directly reflect them, but kind of flip and reflect to kind of get an asymmetrical look, like for my clouds. I am not pulling out my tiniest pieces. You'll see I'm actually shifting everything over because I want this evenly kind of balanced out within the background paper. Using a very little bit of glue, you are going to start by gluing down your largest pieces first as the foundation of your Notan. Okay. After that, you will slowly glue down the remaining pieces in the way that you had set everything up. Now, I still don't have my teeny tiny pieces even taken out of my bag. Right now, I'm just worried about getting the largest pieces glued on correctly. I'm using really thick paper here, which is why I'm having to kind of put some pressure on it while it's gluing because my edges were pulling up, but you should hopefully not have that same problem with your thinner construction paper. Now I'm going to get my baggie with all my remaining teeny tiny pieces, and I'm going to glue these on very carefully, especially those smallest pieces. They can get lost easily, but they are very tricky to get glued correctly. Okay, it's easy to get too much glue on them, and then it's hard to get in place just right, especially with just your fingers. So you'll see that I end up using some other tools like the back end of a pencil to kind of help shift these into place. So this is just an up close shot to show you that glue marks will be permanent on that black, and also to take your time cutting those edges really neatly. Mine was tricky with the thick paper, but yours should be much easier.